does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep waiting.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Purba. Welcome to my channel. For this year's Eid, I wanted to create a look that is elegant and simple as well. So I came up with this soft glam look with bold red lips. I hope you guys will enjoy it, and without further ado, let's begin. First, I'm gonna prep for the eyeshadow by using an eyeshadow base. So, I'm gonna take Lauder Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm applying generous amount of product on my lid. I'm blending this with the beauty blender, and I'm gonna set the concealer with Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. For today's eye look, I'm going to use Morphe X Gemstars palette. The first shade I'm going to use is called Ring Light. I'm going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone. The next shade I'm going to use is called Punch Me. I will blend this shade all over my crease, and this will be my transition shade.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
For giving my outer V area a slight depth, I'm going to use the shade T on my outer V area, and I will slowly blend this shade on my crease as well.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think.
The next shade I'm going to use is called 518 for giving my crease a little bit of warmth. I'm picking up the shade Code James, and I'm gonna be using packing and blending motion. I'm focusing on the outer corner and gradually blending this shade onto my crease. Now, for giving this look more depth, I'm gonna use the shade 10% off on my outer corner. I'm gonna pack the shade on my outer V, and when there is no product left on the brush, I'm gonna blend the shade on my crease as well.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine
Using my fingertips, I'm gonna pack the shade So Good on my lid for getting maximum pigmentation.
my heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
Finally, I'm gonna use the shade No Beans to diffuse the edges of the shimmery shade.
Need and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
I have already moisturized my face with Nivea Refreshingly Soft Moisturizing Cream. Now, I'm gonna use MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pinklite.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
For priming my face, I'm gonna use Benefit Porefessional Primer. Next, I'm going to be using Lauder Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and Orange Corrector. I'm just going to be using these in areas where I have uneven skin tone, mostly around my eyes, dark spots and mouth. I'm using Real Techniques Miracle Sponge to blend the concealers.
Is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
I'm very lightly setting it with Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Just for that, it doesn't mix with the foundation. Now that I have my skin prepped, let's move on to the foundation. The one that I will be using today is the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 3W2 Cashew.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
For concealer, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm just using it around my eyes, dark spots and mouth to cover up some of the uneven skin tone, and I'm quickly blending it with the Beauty Blender.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
And then to set the concealer, I'm going to use the same loose powder from Makeup Revolution, and I will gently dust out the excess powder.
It's begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down.
To set my entire face, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NC40.
Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect.
I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics just to bring back some warmth in my face. I'm mostly focusing on my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and nose.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
For blush, I'm going to be using Bella by Juvias Place.
Yeah, I'm disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted with.
To lock the base makeup in, I'm gonna use MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus in the shade Goldlite. That way the base makeup doesn't move. And then I'm using the highlighter Mary Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics for a very soft glow on the highest points of my face.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend.
For giving my lower lash line more depth, I'm gonna use the shade Benny under my lower lash line, and I'm gonna smudge this with the previous shades that I have used on my crease.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I'm using the shade Ring Light to highlight my inner corner. I'm using a white liner on my waterline from Makeup Academy in the shade Snow White. I'm curling my lashes and finishing off with some mascara from Lakme on my upper and lower lashes.
What does perfect even mean?
For lipstick, I wanted to go with a bold red lip that will complement with my eye makeup. So I decided to go with the Russian red. This is a matte lipstick from the MAC Cosmetics.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out.
And here is the completed look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Eid Mubarak to everybody celebrating in advance. I will see you guys in a brand new video. Bye guys.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see